guys, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some basic home decor ideas. Now, I really wanted to do this video because I do have very cute little decor pieces around my flat here in Mumbai. And trust me, this is a very beginner level video because I have just started buying home decor and I've recently developed interest in this because firstly, I'm stuck at home, right? Like all of you. एंड बिकॉज बाहर जाना नहीं हो रहा है एंड घर में ही रहना है सो घर को और सुंदर करना डेफिनेटली मेक्स मोर सेंस एंड बिकॉज आई स्टे इन अ रेंटेड प्लेस आउट हियर इन मुंबई ऑब्वियसली आई वुड नॉट लाइक टू इन्वेस्ट इन वेरी ह्यूज थिंग्स और वेरी इमोबाइल थिंग्स जिसको लेके मैं कभी फ्यूचर में कहीं और शिफ्ट ना कर पाऊँ तो आई हैड दैट इन माइंड एंड अकॉर्डिंगली आई हैव इन्वेस्टेड इन सम वेरी basic home decor items I feel which will look very nice around any space. They are very affordable as well and they are available on Amazon, and what I'm going to be doing is just to help you out I will be mentioning the direct links for purchasing each of these decor items in the description box below. So not only will I be doing like a small home decor haul with you guys, but also I will be sharing some home decor tips. So these are all categories that I will be discussing today which you can invest in and make your space, make your room a little more beautiful and feel happy because if you invest in these small little things, your room just lights up instantly and it feels so nice to be a part of such a aesthetically lit up and bright place. So without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. But before that, if you're new in my channel, please consider subscribing. Click on the subscribe button and also hit on the bell notification right next to it so that you're updated each and every time a new video goes live on my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Now I would like to start with the most basic things first. Now the first thing that I would like to start with are plants and planters. By plants, I mean indoor plants, of course, because outdoor plants will need a lot more direct sunlight. Obviously, indoor plants need thoda sa kam maintenance, thoda sa kam care, and of course, kam sunlight. But you need to be giving them sunlight once a week, and you need to be watering them as well. Right now, what I have with me are two money plants. I have bought one of them from IKEA and one of them from Ugao. Now you can buy your plants, your indoor plants from Ugao, and there are other very cheap options available on Amazon as well. So I will definitely be mentioning some of the links in the description box, but I would like you to check the customer ratings of these indoor plants and then go ahead and invest in them because some of them have turned out pretty well and some of them do not have very good ratings. So just check the ratings before you place your order. I have this beautiful money plant which I had got from Ugao. This is a very good quality money plant. I think this would be about 5 weeks old and ये एकदम ही baby आया था and look at the pace at which it is growing. I'm so happy with this plant. This has a light green leaves and this is very good, and this is like the pot which came along with it. And I have another one from IKEA which has a very basic brown color pot, and that was very inexpensive as well. So you can find these indoor plants definitely on Flipkart and Amazon. So just do your bit of research and you can invest in them. Now, along with indoor plants, what really makes your space a little more aesthetic are very colorful and vibrant planters. Now, planters are very good in west side home section, if you know what I mean. They have like really good planters, but now since we can't go to west side, we can only order online. So for planters also, I really like colorful या फिर monocolored में golden planters. I really like those, and you get a lot of them on Amazon. So you can definitely invest in them. I think they make your plant look more beautiful. Altogether, they give your space a much needed boost. It really looks very pretty. Now, the second home decor piece that I would like to discuss with you all are basic Buddha decoration pieces. Now, I will show you the ones that I have with me. Of course, all of this is not purchased online. I have received some of them as gifts. Some of them are from local stores. And these 4 set cute little Buddha monks that you see are from Amazon or Flipkart. I think they're from Flipkart. But yes, I mean, just look at them. They are so pretty and they look so cute and colorful, and they would definitely light up your space. So you can definitely check some of these decor pieces out as well. A lot of these 4 set Buddha pieces are available on Amazon and Flipkart. So आप rating देख के आप check कर सकते हो. The one that I got will be linked, of course, in the description. And I think they just add up to your aesthetics very, very nicely. And definitely you should have at least 1 or 2 Buddha decoration pieces in your space. Okay, so moving on, I would like to talk about candles and tea lights. Now, when you're investing in candles and tea lights, definitely I think you should go for scented candles, because maximum time hum ghar pe hi hai, we would like our room or our space to smell nice, right? And you have a lot of these scented candle options these days. Of course, the ones that are most popular these days are Bath and Body Works candles, but they are so damn expensive. I mean, they are, I think, around 2200 or 2500 ke hote hain, and I don't think honestly it's worth the price. Till now I haven't invested in a Bath and Body Works candle. Maybe someday I will, but अभी तक तो मैंने इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया है, and मुझे फिलहाल करना भी नहीं है, because I really love the candles from Miniso. You guys, I have some of them right here. This is the vanilla latte candle from Miniso. This is very, very nice, has a very, very nice smell. I have this one from Miniso as well. This is their lemongrass. I have shown you the apple sake ones also, and yeah, they have a pretty good collection of candles and of incense sticks as well, so you can definitely add them to your space. Now, if you look at this particular candle, then you can see that I'm halfway through with this candle. Okay, so since I'm halfway through with this candle, don't think once the entire wax gets utilized, I'm going to be throwing this away, because I feel this itself adds to the aesthetic so nicely. Once the wax is over, I will just be investing in some fake flowers, like little flowers, and I will be putting those flowers here, and yeah, it can become a part of my home decor once again in a different form, you know. So yes, that's why I love candles, because of course they are scented and they make the space smell so good, and I feel so calm. Like, aromatherapy is a real thing, you guys. You really need to start believing in it, because I initially didn't really know what the hype is about aromatherapy, but trust me, it exists. And if you are going through frequent mood swings and you know you don't really know what to do, just to light up your life a little and just to make yourself a little happy, it's nothing much to do these days, you can definitely buy scented candles and try them for yourself. Now, tea lights also, similarly, you can go for scented tea lights. The ones that I have are vanilla scented tea lights from IKEA. You get a lot of scented tea lights from Amazon as well. Now, along with candles and tea lights, the things that come to my mind are candle holders, lanterns, and tea light holders. Now, all of these things are aesthetically very pleasing, and you have very good options on IKEA, on Amazon, on Flipkart. Now, the lantern that I had got from IKEA looks something like this. It's so amazing. It's black. It looks so vintage, and I love the vibe that it gives to my space out here. And tea light holders, if I talk about, I've seen these very colorful tea light holders that I recently gifted to one of my friends as well. These are like really colorful and pretty. There are amazing candle holders available on Amazon as well, so you can, you know, do a little bit of research and you can just go in and invest in some beautiful candle holders. Some of them also give you the space to put in some oil, so some tea light holders also have the space to put in some camphor or some essential oil like lavender oil, eucalyptus oil, which again spreads that aroma and relaxing vibe around you. Right guys, you'll have to bear with the lighting because I have sunlight right on my face, like you can see. Now, I personally love filming in natural light, so I don't really have an issue, but yes, आपको view करने में थोड़ा सा issue हो सकता है मेरा face देखने में. Anyway, let's continue with the video. So the next home decor idea that I would like to share with you guys are having glass bottles and fairy lights. Now, I'm mentioning them together, but of course you can use them just individually. Not really glass bottles. I think glass bottles, of course, they have a uniqueness of their own as well. But if you add in a fairy light inside the glass bottle, I think it just looks amazing. Now, I'm just not talking about glass water bottles. You have a lot of different kinds of glass jars available on Amazon and on Flipkart, which you can of course check out. You can decorate them with fairy lights, and you can also use the fairy lights individually. Like आप fairy light को individually use कर सकते हो for the decor, which I personally really love, and I think it gives such a nice vibe to your space, and you really start enjoying your space. You really start enjoying those musical nights when you just have your fairy lights turned on and you're listening to your music and you're relaxing. I really love the whole vibe of fairy lights, and आजकल तो ग्लास बॉटल स्पेसिफिक फेरी लाइट्स भी मिलते हैं. लाइक यू हैव लाइक अ कॉर्क, लाइक अ बॉटल लिड, एंड उसके नीचे ही एक फेरी लाइट अटैच्ड होता है. सो यू कैन जस्ट पुट दैट इन द बॉटल एंड यू आर सॉर्टेड. सो यू गेट फेरी लाइट्स विद बैटरी, यू गेट फेरी लाइट्स दैट यू कैन कनेक्ट विद इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, यू गेट फेरी लाइट्स जो आप USB से कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फेरी लाइट्स. आई थिंक दे आर अ very good element for home decor. I personally really enjoy fairy lights as a home decor element, and recently I did build this little corner in my room wherein I have this glass bottle and I have this beautiful fairy light inside the glass bottle. And the glass bottle I got from IKEA. You get a lot of these on Amazon, I'm pretty sure about that. And of course fairy lights are of different types. If you want a USB one, you can invest in that. If you want a battery operated fairy light, you can invest in that. If you have a battery operated USB, you are very relaxed about the place or the positioning of the USB light. You always don't need to keep it somewhere close to an electric point in your house, or you don't have to stretch the extension cord to that place. You can literally keep it anywhere. It is portable. Sunlight is just getting out of control. I'm just waiting for the sunlight to cool down a little. It's right on my face. I have to shift a little because it's just directly coming on my face. Okay, anyway, so fairy lights individually look great. Inside bottles they look amazing, and also invest in glass jars, like different types of glass jars. I think you have some amazing ones on Chumbak as well. You can check out Chumbak's app or Chumbak on Amazon, and you can just decorate them with fairy lights. Fairy lights are something which you can also use around your lanterns, around your plants. They look really great, but just be careful when you're lighting up fairy lights around your plants. I would suggest you to use artificial plants and not live indoor plants, because obviously the fairy light will be generating some heat, right? And your plants might not feel comfortable. You might also end up burning your live plant. So if you're planning to decorate your plants with fairy lights, please ensure that they are artificial plants and not live real plants. Also, I would like to go to the 5th home decor category or item for today's video, because it's a beginner friendly video. I'm not going to be discussing too many items. Eventually, when I have my own space like properly set up, I'll give you a home tour and everything, and there we will do a much more detailed home decor video. Today's video is beginner friendly, so I'm just going to be restricting to certain basic items of home decoration. So the last item that I wanted to include is I wanted to club two items together: dream catchers and wind chimes. I love both of these. Both of these are so aesthetically pleasing and they give me so much of calmness. I can't even tell you. I love the noise of wind chimes in my ears. I think they are pretty, they are gorgeous, they're amazing. And dream catchers are so nice to look at, and they also generate like this positivity and this calmness throughout your space. So I have this dream catcher. I think both of these are from Amazon, and the dream catcher also came with a fairy light. It's not really a fairy light, I don't know what these are called exactly, but the bulbs are like really small in size, and the battery was not that great. I think I had switched it on 3 to 4 days for 1 to 2 hours each, and the battery just conked off. So the battery quality was not that great, but I really like the dream catcher. You have a lot of colorful dream catchers available on Amazon. I went in for a lavender one because I really liked the color and I think it looks very pretty. And you have some ones in baby pink, you have some multicolored ones as well. And now for the wind chime, I went in for a multicolored wind chime. This one is also from Amazon. I'm definitely gonna be mentioning the links of all the products that I've got online in the description box below, so please don't forget to check that out. The wind chime is a multicolored one and it's really sturdy, really great, and it produces such a calming, soothing sound, you guys, I can't even tell you. It's a good quality wind chime. It is not one of those very delicate ones that's gonna break like if you use it, and it comes with a nice attachment also, so you can just hang it anywhere you want to hang it. You have a lot of these wooden finish wale wind chimes also, a lot of monocolor wind chimes also, but I like this one personally. You have those spiral ones also available on Amazon. So guys, I was just talking about the category of home decoration items, some basic pieces which really help your room light up, your room become all aesthetic and nice and pleasing to be in, because you spend most of your time in your rooms nowadays. I'm pretty sure about that, and you should also. Yes, you should be at home and you should be inside your room. And of course, if you want your space to look beautiful and gorgeous, you can invest in these little items. I have just guided you about the category. Now, what exactly you want to go into, you will have to do your research, because of course, your taste and my taste will not be the same. I was just sharing with you a kind of haul and a decoration idea as per my liking. This is as per my taste. Whatever I've shown you in this video is as per my personal taste and what I personally like. Your taste might be same, your taste might be different. Now I have discussed with you these 5 items of home decoration in a beginner level, but of course I will not be leaving the video before giving you some more added ideas as well. I would also like to talk to you guys about photo frames, about bookshelves. Now bookshelves of course are not a very inexpensive item, but I find bookshelves very nice. And of course when I have my final space here in Mumbai, when I shift, and of course when I give you the home tour, you will be able to see that I have definitely invested in a good bookshelf, and I will be decorating a lot of nice decor pieces on that particular bookshelf. I really have a lot of ideas, and Pinterest also helps me out when I have to find ideas and when I run out of ideas. So you can invest in nice bookshelves, in nice photo frames. You can also go in for these new kind of lamps. There's this moon lamp which I really like these days. I think it's very nice. You can go in for these very classy, chic digital clocks. So there are very interesting things which are available on Amazon, and please don't go out, please order in things. And the more you experiment, the more you see on Pinterest, the more you see room decoration ideas on Pinterest, you will get many more ideas. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked watching today's video and that you enjoyed watching the home decoration ideas. Please let me know which was your favorite home decoration idea in the comments box below, not description box मैं fill up करूँगी. Anyway, so I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay home, be safe, take care of yourselves and your near ones. Loads and loads of love to you. Bye bye.